Prawns, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious rich curry flavor Japanese curry prawns. Hope you like it. This Japanese curry prawns is flavorful but not spicy at all, suitable to be eaten by whole family. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Let's start cooking. Japanese curry prawns. Ingredients: prawns, onion, Japanese curry cubes. The Japanese curry I use is the spiciest flavor in this brand series, but it is not spicy. Peel and sliced onion. Remove prawn intestine and remove prawn, wash and set aside. Stir fry onion until translucent. Add prawn head and stir fry until fragrant. Personally, I think that frying the shrimp heads in this way makes the curry taste more delicious. Add prawn and stir fry. Add half bowl water and curry cubes. Stir well until curry cubes melted. Remember to cook over low heat and stir from time to time to prevent the bottom from burning. Curry is fine when the sauce has turned thickened. Plate curry prawns. Let's eat. The prawns do not need seasoning because the curry has a strong flavor. Eating them this way allows you to taste the sweetness of the prawns, and the saltiness of the curry is just right, and it is delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. main ingredients of Japanese curry are turmeric powder, Sichuan pepper, star anise, pepper, cinnamon, cloves and coriander seeds, which are spicy spices that can promote the secretion of saliva and gastric juice, increase gastrointestinal motility and improve appetite. It also contains a certain amount of aromatic oil, crude protein, crude fat and soluble nitrogen, which can remove fishy smell, relieve greasiness and aid digestion. In addition, the American Cancer Research Association pointed out that the curcumin contained in curry has the function of activating liver cells and inhibiting cancer cells. For heart patients, the curcumin in curry can prevent and reverse cardiac hypertrophy, thereby restoring heart function. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.